Nā mihi manahau ki a koutou ki te tau tōku pāpā no Ngāti Kauwhata, Rangitāne me Ngāti Raukawa ki te Tonga, ki te tau tōku māma no Ngāti Parau, Rongo Whakaata Kaitahu, ko Awerangi Tamihere tōku ingo, he Kaiwhakahaere no Te Whānau Waipareira. Kia ora. Underpinning Te Whānau Waipareira, we have at the heart building strong relationships with our community and our partners. Konnect Koncepts is no exception. If we're able to build the strengths, the beliefs and the aspirations of our people that we serve in Te Whānau Waipareira and our communities, our kaimahi, our staff are at the heart. And that means partnering with Konnect Koncepts enable us to ensure that we uphold the mana of how we look after our staff. If we uphold the mana of how we look after our staff, we uphold the mana of who we're here to serve, our whānau and our communities across Te Rohe o Waipareira. Konnect Koncepts has been absolutely integral in developing the core competencies alongside us across the different job families of Te Whānau Waipareira that we're able to map and demonstrate how they contribute to the vision of Te Whānau Waipareira, ko kiritia I roto I te Kotahitanga, progressively acting together in unity. One of the most incredible things about being a Kaiwhakahaere for Te Whānau Waipareira is seeing the growth of our kaimahi and the passion of our kaimahi and see them just go from strength to strength. And having a partner, Konnect Koncepts, who understands Te Kauhau Oro o Whānau Waipareira, our values, our practices, and are totally aligned to those values and practices of Konnect Koncepts, means that the outcomes we see and what our staff achieve is just beyond our wildest aspirations. We have staff who have finished their PhDs, their doctorates. We have staff who are just beginning of their journey of being rangatahi working with us through COVID. Konnect Koncepts work with us to develop their personal development plans, to develop their growth. And in fact, one of our rangatahi came on board in COVID, is now in her first year at medical school this year at Otago University. We had our very first lay vaccinators across New Zealand, who were the youngest in New Zealand, lay vaccinators during COVID. Konnect Koncepts worked with us very quickly to move to that space because it was a difficult time. And so there's so many things that we can reflect on about what has been achieved and the outcomes of our kaimahi, the leadership roles that we have in place now in Te Whānau Waipareira. We're really proud with Konnect Koncepts that we have team leaders, management leads, group managers, directors, and also chief operating officers, the C-suite. And we just see now in place a great career path for all of our staff that may not have even been there 10 years ago. But that's attributable to when you share values and aspirations with external organisations such as Konnect Koncepts, who understand what's wired into the DNA of our staff. We just see them go from strength to strength. Underpinning Te Whānau Waipareira is the word whānau. And so Konnect Koncepts is not just seen as a separate organisation partnering with us. 10 years later, they are the whānau. They are part of us. So we see no different between them and us. They are us and we are them. And that's probably the biggest compliment I can pay to our whānau who support us every day on our journey to uplift our people so we can better serve our communities. Kia ora.